Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment and dependencies. Make sure you have HTML, CSS, and JS available. Once done, choose whether the bar is determinate, showing 0% to 100%, or indeterminate as a spinner-like animation. Create the container element and a fill element, and assign an initial width or running animation state. You must also include accessible labels and roles for screen readers. Next, wire basic styles so the bar displays and you can see changes when you update progress. You now implement the progress logic that controls the bar. Start by binding updates to clear events, fetch progress, file upload callbacks, or internal task loops, so the bar reflects real work. Calculate % as completed divided by total times 100, clamp values between 0 and 100, and then animate the fill width using Request Animation Frame or CSS transitions for smooth motion. Make sure to throttle rapid updates to avoid jank. Also update accessible labels so users know current %. You finish by ensuring the bar reaches 100% when the task completes. Trigger a short finish animation, then hide or reset the component for the next run. If something fails, switch to an error state, stop indeterminate animations, and expose a retry control. This improves user confidence. Make sure to handle edge cases like zero totals, canceled tasks, or extremely long operations. One key troubleshooting tip: if the bar jumps or freezes, check your % calculation and any throttling or timing functions. Those usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.